Say again, Kuya Kopio, ha? Never say about Marcos anymore. Denzel Joshua is trying to criticizing you because you're praising Bongbong Marcos. Why you idolize Bongbong Marcos, Kuya Kopio? Eh, why you always saying like this? Oh, what's the peace sign you're saying about what does he said? Marcos, Bongbong Marcos. I don't care about Bongbong Marcos. All right, you know, Kuya Kopio, with all due respect, ha, even you, Teacher May Tiburcio, ha, walang solid north because I know this is really happening in the Philippines about solid north. Ah, is this what you like? To praise the Marcoses who were corrupt in the Philippines? Let me ask you something. I told to the teachers in CDIFI, I urged them to bring back the historical revisionism against Marcoses. Oh, at least ang kay Jan is also will be karma. Oh, like I said before, ibalik ang kaysaysayan laban sa mga Marcoses. We must to bring the historical revisionism against the Marcoses. Here's the one thing, Kuya Kopio. Walang solid north. When you say Bongbong Marcos, whatsoever, Ferdinand Marcos, and you said when I talk to Ate Lot, you keep an eye with my two cats when we were gone in Japan, and you say Marcos. When I help my dad to bring those stuff, I say Marcos. Whatever you say, I say Duterte. 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 And then I said, Kuya Kopio said so, Marcos. I don't care about Marcos. Kuya Kopio. I'm just gonna say to you, walang solid north. Walang solid north. For me, I never comment there in Facebook. I never post in Facebook. No. I'm never related to the politics in Facebook. I'm not related to politics in Instagram. There's only a person who's related to politics outside in the house is Kuya Kopio. Why are you saying about Marcos? People there are hating Marcos. People there are anti-Marcos. Alright, I'm just gonna say to you, Kuya Kopio, say that again to Luis Cabales. Say that again to everyone. Even who are anti-Marcos. Even Mang Rodelio Daguman is also anti-Marcos. You're saying about Marcos. Kuya Kopio, you're just like Ian Martinez. I know you and Teacher May Tiburcio are mental illness. Mga siraulo kayo. Full of her saying, Marcos. There is no solid north. Walang solid north. If you're Ilocano, Kuya Kopio, go with the Marcos loyalists. Go with Bongbong Marcos in Hawaii. Apply US visa in Hawaii. Don't come back here in the Philippines. You should be exiled there with the Marcoses. At least there's lots of Marcos cronies there in Hawaii. But you should exile there, Kuya Kopio. I know you're saying about Marcos. You're saying about Ferdinand Marcos, Bongbong Marcos. You're just like Ian Martinez. You remember Ian Martinez, the classmate of CDIFI of who's that? Classmate of Bill Galang. He says about Marcos. What that Kuya Kopio says like Marcos. Ian Martinez says Noy Noy o Noy Noy Aquino, Cory Aquino. Who else? Benigno Aquino Simeon the Third. While I was there in CDIFI in 2017 when I was with Ate Pura and Teacher Bea. But Teacher May was absent at the time. I realized there was Ate Pura. Ate Pura said to me, ayaan mo na lang si Ian Martinez. He's always like that. When he ever write Benigno Aquino III, when he write Bongbong Marcos, when you write the name, for example, Ian Martinez, write Benigno Aquino III, Cory Aquino, or Noy Noy Aquino, or Benigno Aquino Jr., or Benigno Simeon Aquino the Third. But I don't care about those words. But for Ian Martinez, he's anti-Marcos. He likes to be pro Aquino. Like me, I'm a pro Duterte. You, Kuya Copio, you're a pro Marcos. What is your ambition? To be a Marcos loyalist? What is your ambition? Tell me about your ambition. Your ambition to be a Marcos loyalist, to be Ilocano. Everyone or Ilocanos are anti-Marcos. Do you remember Tita Marta and Tito Dave? My mom's relatives are anti-Marcos. Who were among anti-Marcos? You remember Lux Espiritu? Calio de Guzman, anti-Marcos. Attorney Vic Rodriguez, anti-Marcos. Attorney Raul Lambino, anti-Marcos. My good friend, Attorney Raul Lambino. Even Kiko Barsaga, who's also anti-Marcos. You're the only one who's a Marcos loyalist, Kuya Copio. You join with Larry Gadon, who says Marcos, Marcos pa rin, you say Bongbong Marcos, Ferdinand Marcos. Even you join with Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog, Jam Magno, Ate Dina Guillermo, Ate Mel Canete, Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, including Gina Asedio and Jeffrey Asedio, who were joining with the Marcos loyalists, who were fake Filipinos. What you gonna say to yourself, Kuya Copio? Everyone hates Marcoses. Everyone hate Marcos. Every Filipinos, they don't love Marcos. You don't love the Filipino people. That's what Busted Duterte accuses Bongbong Marcos. Is this what you like? You full of Marcos? Me, I'm not Marcos loyalist, Kuya Copio. I'm a former Marcos loyalist. Way back 2014 and 2025. I left the Marcos loyalists in 2025 because due to the arrest of my idol, Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte. Is this what you like to say about Marcos? There is reflection